Hey everybody, as you probably see behind me, there's been some lightning strikes and everything coming around lately. We're actually under a tornado warning right now. At least there was earlier. Supposed to be some kind of like well, it's a lightning storm now, but it's supposed to be tornadoes up in Oklahoma later on today, and this is just the beginning of it all. So just giving you guys a quick shot about what's going on here. I've got 3 dogs that are just freaking out right now, so try to keep them sane all at the same time. Anyway, I don't know what to say. Just enjoy the rain. I like the storms. I just don't like what it does to the dogs. So, anyway, so there's one. That dog's Apollo. He's a Labradoodle. So, anyway. Oh, geez. Y'all stay safe out there. Goose.